Everybody, I just want to give a quick tutorial on how to get a nice little signature on all of your posts if you'd like to do that. I've noticed this on other people's blogs. If you click on my signature on my blog here, meetnicklogan.com, it'll take you to this mylivesignature.com. You can create a signature by, you want to register. It saves your signatures for future reference. I'm going to log in here. I'm already logged in. Cool. So new sig. I'm going to use this signature creation wizard and then type my name. Just go to next step. And then I like number 19. There's 120 different options here. I chose number 19, so I click on that. And then you can pick the size that you want. Guess it depends on how big your ego is. Now I chose transparent, so it just shows up as a black font on the back of my blog. It's not showing up that way right now. You know how WordPress is, sometimes it takes a little bit to update the database. You can change the colors of the background, or you can change the colors of the font. And I'm just using a black font with transparent background. I may change it later, but I'm just going to go to the next step to just for demonstration purposes. You can change the slope of it too. I'm just using no slope. Next step. Now there might be an easier way to do this, but this is just what I figured out in the last 5 minutes, so hopefully it helps. So you enter the name, so it saves it as, I'll just use test, and then you can save it. But I've already saved some SIGs, so I'm going to go to Use SIGs tab, Generate HTML code, generate code for handwritten signature, and my signature shows up there. Generate code, and it shows up here. Just hit Control A, Control C, and then go over to your back office or your blog. And there's one more step here. You have to install a plugin. This is step 2. So save that code to a text document, put it on your desktop or wherever you can find it so you can have access to it. You also, now that you've registered for My Live Signature, that signature will always be there, so you can go back. But there's one more step here. You have to install a plugin. You don't necessarily have to. You can just put the HTML in every single post, or you can use this plugin. It's called FT Signature Manager. And I'll show you. I think we all know how to install plugins, but if not, just add a new plugin. And again, this is my WordPress back office. And type in FT Signature Manager. Search plugins. Install. It's already installed for me. And then once it's installed, this took me a while to figure out where everything was. I had to do some Google research, so I figured this would be a valuable post. There may be other ways to do this. This is just the way I found. So when you go over here to your WordPress back office on the side, you go to the Users tab. Signature options. That signature options will be there when you add FT Signature Manager. I'm putting this signature on all my posts by default, and then I copy and paste the code that I got over here at My Live Signature. This code down here, I copy and paste it. And again, that was in Users, Signature Options, copy and paste code, and now it is on my blog. I'm not too happy with how that looks there, so I may do some updating, but from here on out, when you go to my blog post, you'll have a nice little signature. And you can change the colors, the sizes of these signatures, and again, there might be a better way to do that, but this is just the way I've found so far. So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and looking forward to your comments. Have a great day.